Well, she's exactly like her mother. She used to sit here and watch me try and draw. She's doing the same thing as well. What was that? What was that? Good girl. Well, we're out this morning. Apparently that somebody commented the other day that I'm always brushing my hair. There you are. I don't know. Maybe it's habit, but it's not, because it's not vanity anyway. That's for sure. Sunday morning. Just went and priced a job. 8:30 now. It's local to me, and it's about taking those some phormiums out and cutting back. And there's some photinias there. But it's so important at this time of the year that you get and see customers and get the quotes out as quick as you can, because when it's, what I've noticed lately, since all this, dare I say it again, this Brexit thing is sort of not necessarily been resolved, but people know where they're going with it probably. I don't know, whatever you think of that. But there has been some sort of resolution. As a result of it, the phone hasn't stopped ringing, and which is good. People have confidence again now in the marketplace, and I think it's going to be a busy year. Just to give you an idea of the sort of job that we're quoting for, what we've got here, we've got these phormiums, and they're on a bank next to the house here. They've got a sleeper retainer here, and they are rotten. I've just stood them on, and it's just broken off. The water's probably holding behind the edging curb there. Nearly fell there. They got some bamboo there, and the bamboo has got some rhizomes, and this going underneath the path there, so that's going to have to come out. And when you come around here, they've got some euphorbia, which has gone quite leggy, and then they've got some photinia that can actually be saved. We can cut back and prune back, and they've got some dogwoods there. So we'll be given a quote for this, and this is local to me, so it's not far away. So we'll do it in two parts: one for the sleeper retainer, and one to do the cut back and clear out. What's your thoughts, guys?